This one move just flipped silver on its head. BRICS nations are shaking up the silver market, and this completely flew under the radar. Check this out. At a recent BRICS summit in Rio, Indian Prime Minister Modi made a pretty bold statement. This is according to the Times of India. He said, "We can't allow the weaponization of critical minerals." Now, we hear about weaponization of the dollar, but he's bringing in critical minerals, and basically, he's warning the world not to let key materials like silver, lithium, rare earths, not to allow them to become bargaining chips in global politics. And silver is a critical mineral. It's used in everything from solar panels to EVs. It's used in smartphones. And when we see big nations like India start talking about securing access to it, you can bet demand and prices are going to be affected. Look, this is also from Metals Wire. And they're showing Russia also wants to build a new precious metals exchange just for BRICS countries. Of course, leaving us out. That's the goal. And Russia's finance minister laid out a plan. It's just for a BRICS-run exchange covering gold, covering silver, covering metals. So they're doing this. Clearly, it's a move away from Western-controlled markets like the London Metal Exchange. It's a move away from the West. And instead, it's setting their own prices based on trade within the BRICS. We're in a global economy, so any move like this, it really shakes up silver all over the planet, certainly here in the U.S. It's going to cause higher prices and going to cause more volatility for silver investors all over. And this is from Masari.io, and they're showing the BRICS is also working on their own financial system. They're calling it BRICS Pay. And they're also working on central bank digital currencies. This was all confirmed at the summit. And this impacts silver, of course, because if BRICS countries start trading using their own currencies, using their own digital platforms, using anything instead of the US dollar, that's going to increase demand for any non-currency asset like silver, like gold, anything that could be stored as a safe store of wealth or collateral. So yeah, we're looking at de-dollarization. We're looking at that trend moving forward. And we're looking at a big impact, not just on the dollar, but metals. And we put all this together, whether it's India pushing for their own mineral security, whether it's Russia creating a BRICS metals exchange or a BRICS group building its own payment system. All of this spells a major impact and serious implications for silver. So if you're an investor, you're a stacker, or you're just curious in silver, this is the kind of global moves that we need to be watching very closely.